And you are cutting the dead bodies now?
Definitely there is hardships, ma'am. You have to face so many things.
That much effort is worth it? Here, where starting you wrote, no, voltaic nature. Hey, Chadurya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello, hello.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine?
Hello.
Tell me. Hey, tell me.
Ma'am, Surabhi wanted to speak to you.
Who?
My sister wanted to speak to you, ma'am.
Ah.
Surabhi.
Hey, come, sit here, come on. Hi, Surabhi, where are you? Hi, hello. You're Chadurya?
How are you, ma'am?
You are Chadurya's
No,
own?
I'm cousin sister. I'm Pawan's own sister, Chaturya's cousin sister.
Okay. Tell me, Surabhi.
Yes, ma'am. It's like been 2 years, ma'am, joining your class and all. It was so good, actually. I was also a student only. No, I got seated in Chikmagalur Medical College in Karnataka.
Oh, is it? I'm sorry. I forgot. Okay, congratulations. I thought you want to join in class or something, so she bought. I thought. Which year now?
Yeah, I'm in 3rd year, ma'am.
3rd year. Vareva, super. Congratulations. High five. Super. How is the college?
It's good, ma'am.
How it's going on?
Everything is fine. I have exams in November. So after that, I'll be in final year. So 1 more year to go.
Okay. Actually, why I am not able to identify you, because I think color, hairstyle, everything got changed after getting medical seat. See, tell them, few of them may worry like, I'm not good now, I'm about me. But once you get a medical seat, automatically glow comes like anything. See how she's shining and glowing. Surabhi. Give some.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, see, guys like who and all are in Komli ma'am's class. No, first of all, you're in a safe category, okay, when you are in Komli ma'am's class. Because as of me, like I have taken 2 attempts, okay. So in first attempt, whatever I have done, no, second attempt, it was totally different. Ma'am's class were so awesome.
I'm here only, searching for me.
That each and everything, ma'am, what and all ma'am have told in the class, no, everything was useful in the neat paper, ma'am, actually. And my thing was, in the first attempt, ma'am, when I cleared, my biology score was highest. But in the second attempt, what I did, actually, my chemistry score was highest, ma'am.
Wow, super! One more high five!
Thank you, ma'am. Even now, actually, like whomever they'll ask me, no, every time I'll be mentioning your name, your classes and all. So only for Chaturya also, my first suggestion was your class. Even Pawan was also there, ma'am, but I don't know why he quit. He just changed his mind. He went to LL.
You're Pawan's batch?
No.
How you know Pawan?
My brother. Ma'am, he's my own brother.
Okay, your own brother Pawan, tall boy, na? He used to study so well. He came until last minute. I tried my best, but his last moment he went to some CA or something. He changed.
No,
his
LLB,
law.
ma'am. BLLB.
Yes, law. Then he taught this NEET and all, becoming doctor. Something he changed. Otherwise, definitely would have cleared. He finished entire syllabus. After that, he took the decision.
Yes, ma'am. He used to attend the mock test and all, no? Then I used to see the scores also. Then he had my notes also with him. He was revising also very well. He was attempting all the questions also. But I don't know why he did this.
Maybe in lawyer, that field, he will reach the top position. He's talented. Give them suggestions how to read. If they feel demotivated, what to do that time. If they feel to cry, what to do. Give some suggestions.
Those are the hard times. Definitely you will reach that too. When the exams are near, you will get so like tensed also. You will get all those things. But the thing is, see, sit for some 10-15 minutes. Then again, what you should do is, what and all topics you know, no? Think about that. Oh, I know so much. This is the thing which I have to cover. And sit, think for some time. Then you have to get back to your work here. because in all the things what happens is so many members will be there to motivate you, but in this long term journey or for this kind of studies you should be self motivated. Again and again you have to think about yourself. What is the thing is, if you have any your sisters or brothers who are studying, already they have entered MBBS, go ask them how it will be, how is their life and all. So you'll get motivated by that also. Then you can definitely reach your goals. But definitely this chemistry thing, it will work for you, and even physics also, ma'am. Last for us it was not like this 1 year course I didn't have, ma'am, with sir. But I had only that 30 days, that too after CET exam.
Okay.
Because of that only I got score in physics, ma'am, actually.
Oh, super. Very
Mentored so many.
very
Thank you guys. All the best for everyone. Rock well.
She is doing which year? Third year.
Third year, ma'am.
Which college?
Chikmagalur Institute of Medical Science.
Okay. And you are cutting the dead bodies now?
No, first year only we finished, ma'am. Now we are attending postings, clinical postings.
Okay. What is the meaning of clinical postings?
Clinical postings in the sense, ma'am, like we'll have different departments, no? So like each 15 days to 1 month, we will be changing from one department to another department. For example, we will have surgery postings 1 month. So we'll go, one day we will have OPD, that is the outpatient department. Whatever the patient comes, we'll also see what they'll tell, their complaints, everything. And one day we will have ward visitings and all. So in the ward, what they have admitted, now we'll go there. One day we'll have OT also, operation. So we'll also wear.
That's why recently says na he's doing that, and with some patients I thought that he's in third year only. No, why he's doing OPK in third year? First year only you cut the bodies, dead bodies.
That is first year. First year we'll have. Second year we'll attend postings and all.
Okay. How is your experience while cutting the bodies? Like,
it's good, ma'am. Actually, first and all, for me it was fearful only. But after some days, it's like habitual. Every day you will go there. And one more thing is, we'll have dissection from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Okay. We'll do everything. 1 o'clock we'll come, we'll remove gloves, hand wash, eat. Like that only. 1 to 2.
After cutting the body. Wow. Okay. See, you after lots of efforts you reach this place, right? That much effort is worth it. That much effort, so much hard work you might have done, right?
Of course, it's worth it, ma'am, because we'll be seeing the patients and all every time. No, I don't know about other professions how they'll feel, but I feel so proud when I tell I'm doing MBBS, and what will be the opposite person's reaction. No. That is like very much I feel like, what and all I have done so many days, it's worth it like that.
Okay, so many.
But when it comes to hardships and difficulty, definitely there is hardships, ma'am. You have to face so many things. You have to be like 24 hours also, you should be attentive only in this field. But it's not so difficult. You'll have that value also.
How nicely they respect you. Actually, the respect you get from people, awesome, right? Huh? They see you like some precious, something very valuable thing. Huh? Your mother, father don't scold you at all. How nice it will be. Your relatives see you as like some princess came, whatever. Shirabhi, she cleared, she is doing MBBS. Huh?
That is true, ma'am. Relatives and all. See, when I was doing long term and all, they were like, still she didn't get seat. She could have attempted in first attempt only. No, why did you get everything they were talking? But when I got that too, I got government medical seat. No, in every function, it will be like I'll be the center of attraction.
Wow.
Not there. Where is Surabhi? What is she doing? How is the life? Everything they'll ask like that.
Super. I'm so happy. See the happiness in her face. Okay, don't tension now. Okay, you have the tension. Whether I'll clear or not. When you are doing long term also, you have to face so many things in your personal life. But have that patience. One day your face also will glow like Shirabhi's face. Correct, Shirabhi? Very good girl, Chaturya. Oh, Shirabhi is that much energy Chaturya is getting from Shirabhi, na? That's why she's always motivated. Actually,
yes, ma'am. Every time when I call also, I'll be telling her it's okay, you can manage, do it.
Okay, that's what. See, repeaters now, they'll be little less motivation. That's why I always try to motivate in class. I know that how hard their journey was, but Chaturya is like energetic, always smiling, happy, binda. So Shirabhi is the backbone to Chaturya then.
In one way, yes, ma'am.
Very good. And Shirbi, thank you so much for joining today. We are very, very happy. Say everybody thanks to Shirbi. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming.
Hi, sister. Thanks for coming. Say, come on.
Thanks for coming.
No voice only. Sad voices. Next year, after 2 years, you will also change like this. You also become beautiful. Come on. Say thanks to Shirvi. Shirvi, moreover, any beauty tips?
Why am I glowing so much, huh?
Yes, you are glowing so much. Any beauty tips?
Yeah, more you study, more glow you get on your face.
Super, very good. More you study, more glow you will get. But you see, when you are studying now, you may not get. After seeing result, automatically glow will come. Okay? Yes, yes. Thanks for joining. Come on, high five. Both of you, come on. You also. You also. Huh? Super. Okay. Bye. Take care.